If you've made new Google Forms lately, maybe you noticed a new Publish button in the upper right, and that they added a Share button too. This video will explain the functionality of both of those buttons and how to collaborate, publish, embed, and send the form to the responders. Comment below with any questions you have about Google Forms, new or old, and let me know what you use Google Forms for now or want to use them for in the future. Stay to the end to find out how you can learn more about forms and get some one-on-one help to customize your Google Forms. Here, I have a simple form set up, and we're going to explore these changes together. In the past, when you wanted to share your form, send it out, or embed it, you would use the Send button. But in 2025, Google made these things a little bit more intuitive. Notice this? The new Publish button is now your central hub for all things related to making your form live and accessible to others. Let's click on it and see what we've got. Once you publish the form, you can manage who is allowed to complete the online form, and you can accept responses at this time or not. You can also copy the responder link, shorten it, and paste it into a text, email, or social media post. In addition, you can also more quickly grab that responder link by clicking the link icon in the top Forms menu. There's even more functionality in the three little dots, including copy the form or unpublish the form, as well as embed HTML, which gives you the code that you can copy to embed the form in any website. Now let's talk about the most significant change, the Share button. In the old Google Forms, you would add collaborators, which has been renamed to Share so that it aligns with all of the other Google apps, like Docs and Sheets. The person with the plus is the Share button. Click on Share and you'll see a familiar panel. At the top, you can share with other specific people and give them permission as editors or responders. A new feature is that you can also have their access expire on a certain date. At the bottom of this window, you can also adjust the level of visibility, meaning who is allowed to have editor view and responder view. The updated Share feature is really designed to align the Google Forms permissions with the rest of the similar Google apps, and the Publish button makes everything more intuitive. A note of caution. Please remember that forms do not have a version history yet, so you cannot easily revert back to an earlier version of the form. Therefore, please remember to limit the number of editors you have on a form to 1 or 2 people, and collaborate on the Google Forms questions in a Google Doc instead. So to recap, the Publish button is your new go-to for publishing the form for the world to use and grabbing the responder link to send to those who need to fill it out. And the updated Share button allows you to give editor access to a few key people so you can collaborate on creating the form, and includes the added bonus of expiration dates. If you would benefit from understanding Google Forms even better, including what they can be used for and all of the advanced features, then click the link below to register now for the Creating and Using Google Forms Workspace Wizards Masterclass. Every masterclass includes a 90-minute masterclass, a matching handout, and a 2-hour hands-on workshop with me, your Google expert, to create the custom Google Forms best for you and your business. If this video was helpful, please like, subscribe, and share this with others who need to know this information. And click that notification bell so you are informed about all of my new weekly videos and YouTube Lives. I look forward to helping you succeed.